Standard 3rd, Grammar, Chapter 2, Part 1. Topic is questions and subtopic is WH questions. Hello children, welcome back. How are you all? Enjoying vacation with different videos with different worksheets? Okay, so today we will learn Chapter 2, Part 1 and our chapter name is Questions. How to make questions and which words you can use to make questions we will learn in this chapter. This is the main topic, question words. Okay, so see some question words: what, when, why, who, where, whom, which, whose, how. These all words are question words. Okay, whenever we want to make questions, okay, we have to start from these words, and these are WH question words. Let's start the first one. Interrogative words. Okay, these all are interrogative words. Interrogative words, remember something? In my last video, I have told you about interrogative sentences. We can make the question sentences. So like this way, interrogative words can make question sentences. Okay? You can ask for information and accept an answer other than yes or no. It is important to know the purpose of each question words. Okay? So in interrogative words, first of all you have to ask something and then you will get some information. You will get the expected answers also. Maybe in yes or no. Let's see the first one. The first one is what. What asks for information. For example, what shall I keep in these bags? What is your favorite food? What is this? These all are question words which start from what. Okay? It means you can ask by questions from what word. Why? Because you want to ask information. You want to need to understand some information. That is why you are asking from what word. What word refers and ask for information only. Whenever you will start from what word question, you will get some information answer. The next one is the example. You can see the picture which I told you right now. What shall I keep in these bags? Means now you will get information that in this bag what you want to keep. The second one is when. When refers to time. For example, when will be board the flight? When will we go to school? When I will meet my friends? Understood? From these examples, when you are asking by when word, whenever you are asking questions by when word, you will get the answer of time. You will get the time answer. Means how much time you will take for that. Okay, you want to confirm the time. That is why you are asking to from when word. Okay. The third one is where. Where refers to place. For example, where will you stay tonight? Okay. Where you want to go for picnic? Where is your school? Why you are asking Where? Because you want to know, refer place. Which is the place? With the answer of where, you can get the idea of the proper place. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is why. Why ask for reason or purpose? Means whenever you are asking by why question, you want to know the reason and what is the purpose. For example, why are you asking so many questions? Why are you not talking to me? Why your handwriting is bad? Understood? So, like these way questions, you can ask why you want to understand the reason or purpose. Whenever you are asking by why, you want to know the reason. What is the reason of that? Okay? That particular matter, why it's happened. So that is why you are asking by why. The fifth one is which. Okay? Which refers to a set of choices. See the example. You can see three color bag, blue, orange, red. Means you are getting choices. Then and then you can select one. See the example. Which one of these suitcases is yours? Understood? So you are getting choice. From these three suitcases, you have to choose yours. Understood? So from which sentences you can get the choices also. For example, see the more. Which dress you like most from the three? Okay. What? Which subject you like most from all the subjects? So see, you are getting so many subject choice, so many dresses choice. Out of that, you have to select one. Okay. So which question word is refers to a set of choices? You are getting so many choices. You are giving so many choices to others also. And then you can ask the answer of which questions. Understood? Then you can make the sentences, you can make the questions from the which word. Understood, children? So, refers this video again and again, and then you can write answer in your worksheet without any confusion. Now in next video, we will learn some more question words. Okay? Like this all. With the colorful pictures and lots of example. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.